The Bobo doll experiment conducted by Albert Bandurras was hoped to show some sort of correlation between the social learning theory and aggression, meaning that aggression is something that's learned through observance, through imitation. And so, uh, what Albert did is he took 72 kids, half boys, half girls, and he split them into three groups of 24. The first group was not exposed to an adult. The second group was exposed to an aggressive adult, and the third group was exposed to a passive adult. And so one of the children from the that was exposed to an aggressive adult would be placed in a room, in the corner of a room, with a couple toys to play with, while an adult sat in the opposite corner with a few toys and then a Bobo doll and a hammer. And after about a minute of the child playing, the adult would start beating on the Bobo doll with the mallet, and the child would observe this, and then he would be placed in the next room, um, where he was basically given all the toys he could want, every child's dream. But unfortunately, the child was not allowed to touch any of the toys. He was told that um, these toys were for another child, which was intended to frustrate the child, um, until he was placed in the third room, where the child had all kinds of toys, but also the uh, the Bobo doll and the hammer. And the child was then observed through a one-way mirror, and the results showed that children placed in aggressive situations are more likely to act aggressive. But the results proved inconclusive. What did appear conclusive was the hypothesis that children, boys, I should say, are tend to be more physically aggressive than girls, but girls are just as verbally aggressive as guys. Um, yeah, that is the Bobo doll experiment. I hope you enjoyed.